Thinking about changing your Instagram username? Maybe you're rebranding, creating a personal brand, or you just found a better handle. The good news is that Instagram lets you update your username in just a few taps. Here's the fastest way to do it in 2026. Start by launching the Instagram app on your phone. Once it opens, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Now, look for the three-line menu in the upper right corner and tap it. A menu will slide up with several options. At the very top, choose Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Profiles. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, select the one you want to update. After opening the correct profile, tap Username. You'll now see your current username. Erase the existing one and enter the new username you'd like to use. Instagram instantly checks if it's available. If you see a green check mark, you're all set. If not, you'll need to try a different variation until you find one that's available. When you've chosen a username that works, tap Done to confirm the change. Your new username will be updated immediately, and anyone searching for you will need to use your new handle. Before you finish, remember to pick a username that's easy to spell, easy to remember, and matches your personal or business brand. Avoid adding too many random numbers or symbols unless they're necessary, as a clean username is much easier for people to find and recognize. And that's all there is to it. Your Instagram username has been successfully updated in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other quick tech tutorials for the latest social media tips and tricks.